Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Adda. In this video, we will discuss how we can dimension by using baseline command. First of all, go to in a sketcher mode. So for that, select the sketch and plane, and here sketch. Set the view properly by using sketch view. And here in the dimension group, you can see that here is the baseline. Two dimension to create an ordinate dimension, we can use the baseline command. Let's see how. So suppose I have this one geometry. I want here the ordinate dimension. So the ordinate dimension means you can show the dimension from one common reference. So it is easy to measure from one common reference. So here first of all, select on baseline command and create one baseline. Here I am here selecting line and press the middle mouse button. Here you can see that the 0. So it is showing that this one is the first major point. Okay, and press the middle mouse button to come out from the command. Now select the dimension, select the zero line and select the line. So this one line I have selected and press middle mouse button. And next select the zero line, select the required line and press middle mouse button. Now here it is showing that here it is one constraint here. This one is the constraint. Go to dimension, select the zero line and select the required line and press the middle mouse button. Select the zero line and select the required line and press middle mouse button. Like this, you can dimension the sketch by using baseline command. Suppose I want a vertical distance. Here I am deleting default constraint. So here now first of all create the baseline, select the baseline command, and here I am creating this base. So this one is base is created. Press the middle mouse button to come out from the command. Now select the dimension, select the zero line, this one and this one. Press the middle mouse button to place the dimension. Select the zero line, select the required line and press the middle mouse button. So from one common reference we have dimension the sketch. So like this, if you click on the dimension, you can drag as per your requirement. You can drag and place the dimension, and also you can modify the dimension by double clicking on dimension. Here you can see that I am creating one geometry here. Suppose I have this one geometry and I want to dimension this circle, or in a feature you can consider this one as a whole. Okay, so now I am creating one baseline here. Select the baseline command and select the vertical line. So now we can horizontally we can give the dimension. So press the middle mouse button to place the dimension and again press the middle mouse button to come out from the command. Click on dimension, select the baseline dimension and select the center point of circle and press the middle mouse button to place the dimension. Like this, select the zero line and select the center point. Zero line, center line, press the middle mouse button. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel And for a new video notification, please hit the bell icon.